Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to a special one-off video today. Back last year, when the channel first started getting going, I looked at monetising the channel. Found out that you had to have 1,000 subscribers before you could monetise it. So once I hit 1,000, which was in the beginning of July, that's when the channel started to be monetised. And I made a promise then that the first year's earnings from YouTube would go to a local animal charity. I'm hoping this afternoon to go there and give them the money. So I've just totted it all up. So from July to July this year, the total amount was £922.72. So obviously every month it's gone up and up and up. I think the first payment was £27 and then each month it's gone up a bit. Obviously the more subscribers, the more videos you put out, the more likes you get and so on and so forth, the more money that comes through. So what I've done, £922, I've rounded it up to £1,000 in £20 notes. So here is £1,000 in £20 notes. £922 of it is down to you. So thank you everybody. So for all those subscribers that have subscribed and watched the videos since then, thank you. £1,000 is going to the charity. Hopefully today we're going to go up there and give it to them. So I just need to put it in an envelope and make our way up there. So we'll be back when we're up there. I'm not going to film. I'm not going to try and film inside the place because obviously for their privacy. Again, thanks to everybody that has. I was going to say donated. You haven't donated directly. This is all advertising revenue. So those ads that you get bored with and those ads that you click on the skip button, all earns that money. £1,000 over that year is going to the charity, the animal charity, which we'll show you it, as I say, when we get there. So again, thank you for that and we'll see you shortly. Here we are at Foal Farm, Animal Rescue. This is where the money's going. What time are they open? From 1:30 till 4:30. Oh, that's all right. Plenty of time. Hello, Porky. Looks like a statue. Move. Pardon? I'm not getting close to you. Same to you. Yes? It's very quiet here today. There's not many people, or animals for that matter. Don't know where all the animals are. Oh look, it's a little kitten, look. Or quite a young one. Oh, it's gone out of focus.
5 months.
Slinky.
Black.
Who's this one? There's a sweetie. Or she. Slinky. Landed in a box in a park. They're all hiding. Where are they all?
This one's in the book.
Yeah, they're all asleep.
Oh, they're fluff.
That's very fluffy.
Oh, they've just come in.
Oh, look. A little ginger kitten. Oh, two little ginger kittens. Hello.
Oh,
Oh, look at them. Oh, my word.
hello, sweetie. Oh.
Camera keeps focusing on the cage rather than the kitten.
Take a picture. So sweet.
Oh, up there, there's 4 of them up there.
Hello. 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 Oh.
I'll have to take a picture of that one.
Meow. By himself and what a company.
Oh,
He's
it's
really
wonderful.
going to be such a faithful little thing.
Yeah. It's amazing. We've got one cat now who's
Oh, there's some horses over here as well. Not just cats and dogs. I haven't seen any dogs. I don't think you're allowed to actually go and see the dogs in the kennels because they get a bit too excited, but there's horses.
alright.
Hello. Why the long face?
She's not happy.
You're not happy? Nor would I be if I had flies in my eyes. Hello. You're not going to bite me, are you? I'm not even going to try. So it was just a brief video. It's only, what is it, 8.5 minutes long, something like that. Very short video. Just wanted to show you the place where the money's gone, really. So they got, you saw mainly cats there, of course. We didn't get to see the dogs because, as I mentioned at the end there, that you can't actually go and see the dogs because they get, unless you're going to buy a dog, rehome a dog, because the dogs just get too excited. But as you can see, that £1,000 is going to be well spent there. So it was a pleasure to be able to give it to them. It's Foal Farm. I'll put the link. Foal Farm comes under Westerham. It's actually sort of Biggin Hill area. Obviously in Kent, in case you don't know where Biggin Hill is or Westerham is. It's been there many, many years. We got one of our cats from there about 20 years ago. And often, well, I say often go there. We used to go there quite a lot just to look at the animals. Haven't been there for quite some time now. But it was always going to be my first choice for where the money was going to go. So again, thanks to everybody that clicked on the ads, watched the ads and so on and so forth, that pushed that donation money to £922 for that year. And so I rounded it up to £1,000 and it was most appreciated by the staff there. If you look in the description, if you wanted to make a donation yourself to Foal Farm, I'll put a link to their website and their Facebook and their Twitter and so on. But again, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on those ads. Thanks for watching those ads. And we will see you in the next video for the next car. But again, as always, please don't forget, like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you very, very soon.